Alright, so I don't know if I can pick it up, but basically where it's at, it's like right here. That's where it kind of just came out and just, but hold on, let's just take a moment to look at that fitment right there. With the camber plates, I'm hoping to achieve, a little bit more, obviously more camber in, so. Okay, as I was saying, hoping with that extra 4 degrees of camber, it won't be as on the fender as it is right now. So what I'm thinking of doing, just because my car just hit 30,000 miles, I have to do the transmission and differential fluid. I know you don't have to do it, but this is my daily driver. I want to make sure she's well taken care of. You gotta take care of the things that you have, right? Hey, what's going on, guys? So right now it is Thursday, and forgot what I was gonna say. We ordered a front lip for the car, and then so tomorrow we should also be getting my camber plates, and then I'm thinking about Saturday if I should just do a full-on detail on the car. So kind of just a one-step paint correction, and let me show you guys why. It's been like this ever since I got the car, and it has been driving me nuts. So let's go out there real fast, and I'll show you. Alright, so for starters, it's going to be extremely dusty because, look, they are destroying a house over there. But let's see if I can try to pick it up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Sorry, guys. But there is... This whole weekend is going to be filled with car activities. So Friday, I'm hoping everything works out. That way I can have my camber plates ready to install once I get home after work and all that crap. And then Saturday will most likely be a full detailed day. So washing the car, prepping it. So if you guys are wondering what front lip I actually got the idea from Kaz BRZ. He's part of the Illuminate crew. I got it from, let's see, Bayson Motorsports. So I got their CS style front lip. It was like 80 bucks. Alrighty, guys, so we made it to my little showing up here. This is a beautiful home. Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys kind of a before and after. So this is what all the camber plates. So we kind of back on this side. Let me show you guys where they are. Ooh, look at that. So these are ONI camber plates. It's supposed to be for -7 degrees of camber. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty guys, so I was saying we got the front camber plates on. I'll go ahead and play a little kind of like montage or kind of a little clip of just putting it on. So it was pretty simple. All you had to do was, I was trying to figure out a way to not take the whole coilover off, but it was probably just a simpler way to do it. But take the whole thing off, and then all you really have to do is the bolts that are holding the top hats on, just undo those. I think they're like a 5mm Allen wrench. Undo those and then slap on the other ones. I maxed them out, so they said roughly around 7, I don't know, but it definitely gave me the comfort and more room to actually go lower if I wanted to. I was running into the issue where a big bump on the road, there's always 2 that I have to go when I'm on the way to my office, that it ends up rubbing the fender. Kind of solves it. It should, because it's not as close as to the fender as it was, sorry. And yeah, and then I also did a full paint correction on the car, so it looks beautiful. The deep scratches are still there, but overall I'm happy on what I could do. My lip did not come this weekend, so it says it's supposed to be delivered today, which is Monday, and if so, we're gonna be putting that on today. And yeah, I mean, that was pretty much the weekend. I didn't pick up the camera too much, you know. I was kind of just focused on getting everything done. We were kind of in a rush. Alright, so here's basically the fitment. So you can tell it went in pretty good, just for some top hats. I think it's a pretty good investment. These were only, I believe, 180. I believe there were only like 180 on ONI website, and then plus shipping wherever you're at. So probably we'll say a good $210. But I mean, compared to the stock BC coilovers, especially if you're trying to go low, I think it is a great investment to kind of consider. So on this fender over here, it was sticking basically on the fender. So like right here my tire was on the fender, and every bump I would just kind of hit it. I mean, you can kind of see on the reflector right here, but I don't know, I like it. So alrighty guys, so we just got confirmation that the lip is here. Well, it's at my house. So what it is, it's just a couple screws, and you just literally screw it into there. So we are going to see how it looks fitment wise, and obviously we're going to show you the end result. So, alright, so let's go home and get this thing put on. Boys, here it is. Let's go see if we can go fit it right now. Problem I ran into is I broke this clip. If you guys don't know, I picked up the ONI Camber plates. They're pretty easy to install besides taking the coilover off, but that was just kind of like a tedious work. And then I was stupid and I got a Bayson Motorsports front lip. I believe it's their charge speed kind of style one. So I got that, and I was gonna take off the bumper, and I found out, I would say maybe like, basically only had a couple more bolts and stuff like that to take it off. and I found out I didn't have to take it off. So I'll show you guys what I did. Let's go and give you a walkthrough of the car right now. So here's the front fitment. Obviously it's not, I mean, it is what it is for, I would say, like 80 bucks. But what's cool about this is it's literally screws. I think it's around like 13 screws, and you can tell, I mean, it looks pretty good. So there are 2 holes, and what you can do is put the plastic things in. That way you know it's basically aligned with the entire fender. So that's exactly what I did. And for the most part, I just had my fiance, when I was drilling into it, kind of hold flush to the bumper, so that way, you know, obviously I didn't do all of the work. I haven't painted it yet. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, but I mean, for 80 bucks, I think they did a pretty good job. I mean, it looks really good. So overall, I'm pretty happy on the 2 things that I got for the car. ONI was super responsive right when I ordered it. I ordered it in the morning, and by the time it was noon, I already had the shipment coming. So it didn't take that long for them to come. And with the Bayson Motorsports, it came, I would say, within 3 days. Overall, like I said, I'm super happy on how all of it turned out.